Dang, this hurts.
What's the magic word?
Please.
Nope.
Now.
Spell cotton candy backwards. And I'll let you out.
YDNACNO.
Why are you struggling though?
OC.
Did you spell it right?
I did.
Did you?
This is all my arm.
Alright, so we are busy and she don't have a choice because she's attached to more.
You know you are taller than me. You want me to jump on your back to get on these stairs?
Y'all don't believe me? Look, she attached. She can't go nowhere. She attached. Look at that. Look at that beauty, boy. Ooh, nice. Anyhow, oh hell no, it's raining out here. It's raining. Shit.
How are we gonna get in the car?
We have to figure that out, innit? Figure that out, just like that. Y'all think we're playing in it, but this is serious. Watch this. Ooh. Go ahead. Get in. Go ahead, girl. Look at it struggling. Look at it. It's raining.
You have to move with me. You know.
I'm aware of that.
You are attached.
Duh. Look at this. Look how she's struggling. Look.
What is that in my way?
Look how she's struggling to get in the car. Look. Ooh. Ah, Jesus, this is harder than I think.
Ow!
But what do you mean, ow? So which way are you meant to go then?
Ow.
Turn it anti-clockwise.
I'm good now.
Oh, you're on. So it's all about. So what? It's all about you now, huh?
I'm just saying, I'm good.
Oh. Look at this now. Now, please explain to us how I'm meant to drive. Huh?
Do you need me to scoot over? You want me to sit on your lap?
What?
You want me to sit on your lap?
You want to sit on? You want to sit on my lap? Why are you kissing the steering wheel though? Cause you know I'm an OG. So we are back. KieranMac, Lyndsinacole.
Handcuff challenge.
Oh, it's not more. Yeah, well, yeah. Oh, wait. This hurts. Anyhow, so here we are, attached.
It's not really a challenge, because I like being attached.
She got my damn nerves. Been like this for like 5 minutes, she already complaining.
When have I complained?
Could you put your seatbelt on, please? Wait, how am I gonna put my seatbelt on though?
Just how you are?
See, I already, look at that. Ooh, cause I'm nice. Attached. Just like that. No problems. Ooh.
Oh my God.
What? Just make sure my camera don't fall down. No, just leave it. I'm just saying.
Oh, you said. Whoa.
Oh, what he's doing, asshole. You backing out, you're not even looking. What? Ooh. So, anyway, if you haven't seen the last video, go check it
out.
Please. But now, you know what the funny thing is? Like, being with someone 24/7, is it annoying? Like,
am I annoying?
What?
Am I annoying?
Are you annoying?
Yeah.
You can be annoying at times.
And so can you.
Okay, I own that. Straight. You know, I ain't gonna say. Anyone that says, oh yeah, they're with their partner or lover or whatever and they don't be annoyed by their ways and their... Will you stop doing that? I'm driving? You gonna do that while I'm driving? You don't even know what you just tried to feel up right about there. Don't do that. Can you not?
I mean, my hands just, you know, stuck
your hand,
there,
yeah, your hand got stuck there, yeah? Your hand got stuck there.
What is a girl to do?
Oh, yeah, because I know, I'm not even going to say that. I ain't going to say that. Yes, as I was saying before she started doing what she was doing, well, yeah, I was saying, obviously, you know.
It is raining, you know, you might want to clear off the...
What you talking about, girl? I got eagle vision, bird's eye view,
okay.
Hawk attack.
Okay, well, you are working with one arm.
Yeah, one arm and that's it. So that we're driving a manual car, are we? As you guys call stick. manual, you know what I mean? So I'll just be swerving on them. Ooh, 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 ooh.
You're doing too much right now.
What do you mean? Oh yeah, am I?
Yeah, you are, as always.
I'm not getting out, you know, to go to the store.
Well, how do you think I'm gonna get out then?
Oh yeah, I didn't think about that.
And I'm making you climb this way to get out.
Who?
Yeah.
Nah, you bugging, bro.
Yeah. He's climbing over.
Oh. Alright, so Master Chef in the kitchen attached with... Yeah, I know, the height restriction is kind of crazy, look. Right, anyhow, so I gotta do all this while this one can
I can hold the
oh, that's smoking. Jesus Christ.
You turned it on.
Woo! You can do what?
I can at least hold the camera.
Are you gonna do that then? You don't want someone to throw this hot oil on you. Then you see your skin. Pizzle! That hot that is. Woo! That hot. Hotter than hot. H-O-T-T-Y. Hottie, 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 hottie. I just need to pull it down. I need to make it cool down. It's a bit too hot. So I was gonna do something quick and easy. Just fry up nice and easy. It's after 8.
Got the chicken, rice.
It's just so small, you know, not too easy. Mama didn't raise no food. Ooh. Mama didn't raise no food. Ooh. Mama didn't raise no food.
Obviously. She did.
What you trying to say? Don't talk about mom. Nah.
I'm not talking about your mom. I'm talking about you.
Don't talk about mom, though. You want beef?
We got beef.
No, we got chicken actually. Ooh. Stop playing with me. Okay.
You didn't even give it time to cool down?
I did give it time to cool down. Put your hand in there.
Oh, yeah.
Put your hand in there.
Do I look stupid to you?
More like boo boo the fool. Alright, one time. Happy birthday.
It's about to pop. Let me back up. Because this
How you gonna back? So
the grease is hot as
really?
I don't know what. It's still smoking.
How are you gonna back up and what I'm supposed to do the chicken there?
You can get burnt or popped. I'm not about to get popped.
Come over here, man. Stop playing.
Let me just hide behind you then.
It's only a little bit chicken. It's not like it floats. Wait. Hold on. Before I even do that.
Oh, wait.
Oh, let me just color the peppers in one time. Let me just turn it on low.
That would be the smart move.
Let me just color the peppers and turn it on low. One time. Cause I'll be nice. Now y'all gonna be watch how you be cutting now. Cause like I don't want y'all to be.
He wish.
One time. Woo! You can tell my master chef like look like that. Woo! You can tell my master chef look like that.
I ain't gonna lie, he pretty good in the kitchen.
Yeah. Wait, come over here, girl.
Maybe he's just doing the most.
No.
Babe, you know I'm short. I can't even get you all the way in there.
Oh yeah? Now I like to use the red peppers. The red peppers are cool. Well, how you calling up the hole in my head though? Like, baby gonna tilt it back. Oh,
okay.
Jesus. Right. You couldn't just not find the stuff, can you?
I mean, you can't even see me in it.
Well, put yourself in it
My
then.
head.
Go ahead now.
And my arm is getting tired.
When you give up. So basically, the reason why I was doing this is because it's the first to say, oh, I want out of the handcuffs. So I already know she's gonna give up already.
No, I'm not. Little does he know I like being this close to him.
More like she likes being handcuffed. Yeah, you know. You see what I mean? You didn't have that part, did you? Huh? Mama didn't raise no fool.
See, he's doing his thing. He's doing
Alright, quickly, let me just put this chicken in while the chicken's one time. Oh. Happy birthday to you. Ah!
He's gonna get a popping.
It's not even that hot, actually. Cool down. One time. Oh, just a little bit of chicken. We ain't doing too much because she's on a diet, so, you know, just a little chicken, one time, whack up. It's being marinated well. And baby, you don't have to do the hand. Like, you don't have to come this way because.
Where?
Come on this side. Like,
See? Popping him. He don't listen. He does not listen. Look at it popping everywhere.
Look, man.
That's what you get for not listening. I told you didn't let it cool down long enough.
Don't worry about that, girl. It's only a little bit of chicken.
Alright, but a lot of grease popping everywhere.
So, you're going to clean it anyway. Because because that's a woman's job. Woman's job. Woman's job. Ugh. You know when you get a serious case of BGs?
I did not sign up for this.
Bubble guts. She don't have no choice. She has to go where I go. And yes. And y'all probably thinking, yeah, if I'm laying on the toilet.
You don't want to know.
Oh yeah? Yeah. You don't want to see how I've been destroying this.
Smell what's going on in here.
What you talking about? You can't smell nothing.
Yes, I can.
And it smells like strawberries.
Horrific.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it is.
You gonna wipe my butt?
No, I'm not.
Yo, would you wipe your partner's butt?
Sound like it's splashed and hit your balls anyways.
Yeah, to be fair, I don't know that. You see, listen, if that water residue touches your butt, that's it. It's game over. You have to just like,
shower after
yeah. You start obviously thinking about your life, what's gone wrong, all that type of, just for the water touching your own butt, you know what I mean?
Well, I'll be down for the shower after this.
You see what I mean? She don't know how to butt, but she wants to get in the shower together. No! If you want to get in the shower, ow! If you want to get in the shower, you gotta wipe my butt.
I'm not wiping your butt.
You see that?
I would if you weren't able to. Like if you were...
Oh, well, I'm holding the camera, and I got handcuffs here, like, how am I supposed to wipe my butt?
If you were incapable, I would wipe your butt all day long.
Listen, would you wipe your partner's butt? That's not disgusting though, is it?
Would you wipe my butt? Hell no! See, you don't really love me.
You wipe my butt then, and then we'll figure out think about it.
If it was like paralyzed or something, you can wipe your butt. I got you.
Yeah, she says that now, but right about now.
I definitely would, but right now.
Wait. Let me concentrate.
Oh my god.
Oh. You know when your belly's just hurting you, you're just rethinking about your whole life.
His belly is always hurting him, no matter what he eats.
I got sensitive stomach.
And it goes right through him.
And
5 minutes later.
Some of y'all got that hardback caveman belly where it just holds all that nastiness inside. My belly is sensitive, just like a woman. Emotions. Ooh. Yeah, I got bars, right?
No, you don't. Can you finish up here? Cause the smell.
Alright, yo. Yeah, in there stinks up, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all gotta think, why you got a fan on? What for? If I ain't to smell it, she can smell it too.
No. It's bad enough when I'm laying in the bed and it creeps out there, but all up close and personal.
Yo, it is what it is. Yo, you gonna wipe my butt, dude?
No. You just said you wouldn't wipe my butt, period.
So? You hear me?
So, what do you mean?
She won't wipe my butt.
This is a one-sided relationship.
Yeah, it is, to be fair. She needs to wipe my butt though, right? Man! My ankle!
Yeah,
ankle wrist.
I don't even gotta hit you now.
Stop! Alright.
Say something I don't like.
I gotta go, man. My baby's at me.
So, this is what typically happens after Grandpa over here gets something to eat. Faded like a cutty, as he would say. Look at that. Meant to be having Netflix and chill, yet he sleeps. Still handcuffed. I can't even show you guys. It's too dark. But he's still cuffed to me. Let me just yank him a little bit and see if I'll wake him up.
Stop my hand, man.
He gets grumpy when he's sleepy.
I'm not sleeping.
What are you doing there? The people are just seeing you here asleep, so.
I wasn't sleeping.
What do you call it? He does this all the time. He'll be asleep for hours and then say he's not asleep.
I wasn't sleeping.
What were you doing? What just happened on the show?
What?
What just happened on the show? What are we watching?
The freestyle. Skateboarding.
We're watching American Horror Story. What just happened on the show if you want to sleep?
I'm watching American Horror Story. Anyways, wet.
It's the first episode of the 7th season. So you didn't even make it through one episode before you fell asleep. You ready for bed?
What are you talking about? I'm about that damn life.
Last night he went to bed at 7:30. 7:30 on a Saturday night, folks.
What? No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
And so what if I did?
And didn't even get up for the rest of the night. Like literally slept till the next day.
No, I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Just go back to sleep.
I went to bed.
It's okay.
I didn't go to bed. I dozed off.
And never woke back up.
I dozed off. And I didn't get up till the next day. But I got up at like 1 o'clock in the morning. So.
Oh, this morning you said 4. Now it's pushed back to 1 o'clock. Which one is it?
I got up plenty of times.
Lies.
Bro, get the camera on my face.
Let's just go to sleep.
Who's going to sleep? Anyhow.
See, you're making me miss what's happening. Some people are actually trying to watch the show.
Still here. Still cuffed. My wrist is bleeding.
Because I've been yanking them all over the place.
But that's probably about it, folks.
Papa's ready for bed.
Yeah. Anyhow. We stayed locked and loaded around here. My eyes look bloodshot.
He can't even talk straight.
No.
He's mumbling his words.
Whatever. My lips feel dry as well. Well, like I said, we completed the challenge. Staying handcuffed for, I'm not even gonna lie to you, it wasn't even 24 hours. It was more like, I don't know, 10. I couldn't stay handcuffed there. She getting on my damn nerves straight.
Don't lie to the people.
I'm being dead ass honest.
What did I do?
What?
What did I do?
First, your breath was kicking. So I had to get away from all that.
Give me all these cups right now, since I'm that bad to be around.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You need the key?
I need a key. I'll be about that. No key. Ooh. Nice. Lit. She ain't about that, though. She didn't have to get out of them.
So all this time I didn't need the key to get out of this?
No, I just fooled you. She didn't even. She didn't even do.
Well, get this off of me then.
Jesus Christ. There's obviously a release button on there. Go on then. There's a release button there. She didn't know. You can tell she's from Ohio, right?
Shut up.
Anyhow, we are. Thanks for watching again. Another video of ours. Much appreciated. KMS.
Lyndsi,
We are signing out.
Peace.
For the same reason I left.